Hi there, I'm Dr. Katie Green, and I'm going to be your instructor for SPED 8783 this fall 2021. I am super excited to teach you guys. I do love teaching this course. This is one of my favorite courses to teach, and so it's going to be a lot of fun. I just wanted to talk you through the syllabus, and hopefully we will have time to also go through the course a little bit as well. I want to first draw your attention to this co-requisite. You guys must also be taking 7782 unless you're in a special circumstance for some reason, like you took it last fall and you dropped something. Otherwise, please go ahead and be enrolled in both courses. All right, so let's move on. Here is my email and my phone number. You will rarely catch me in my office. It's not because I'm not working, it's because I am just all over the place. So the best way to get in touch with me is always by email. I mean, you can try by phone, but it's going to be a rare opportunity that I can actually pick up and talk. This class is fully online and asynchronous. That being said, I will have some online sessions for us to get on and chat as like virtual office hours. Those will be completely optional, and I will talk about that once October happens, because this course won't really get rolling until October. Your 7782 class will get rolling in August, and I need you guys to check into this course in August, but we won't need to have meetings or anything until October. Okay, everybody in the COE, all students need to have a TK20 subscription, but you will not have a TK20 assignment for this course. So no assignments go into TK20. All right, here are the outcomes of this assignment, of this course, so you can read that. And here are your breakdowns. Now, it stresses me out because I have dates here and dates below and dates in the assignments. So if you see, I'm scanning, and if you see a date that looks off, let me know. Just tell me. Send me an email and I will fix it, because that is a lot of places to put dates. Okay, so we do have a syllabus quiz I need you to do for attendance verification. That is to tell financial aid, yes, you showed up, so that if you are using financial aid, they will pay for your classes. You will get your refund. Even if you're not doing financial aid, we still have to verify everybody's role. So go ahead and take that syllabus quiz as you check in October, and then August. And then I don't need to see you again until October. So August. Okay, syllabus quiz is due August 15th. All right, you do have some quizzes in this course. You'll see the due dates. You do have some discussions with follow-ups in this course. Notice you have discussion, initial post due, and then follow-ups due, because that way people have something to follow up on. So you will need to be sure you're checking into this course at least twice a week starting in October. This is due at the beginning of October. You will submit your proposal that you finished in 7782. You'll finish that proposal at the end of September. You'll submit it. You'll also submit your city training that you did in 7782. That is because some people are off track, and we just want to make sure everybody got this training. You do it in 7782, but we want to see it again in 8783. You have a few little activities, and the big thing that you have due is your methodology section. That's your method section. That is due December the 3rd. Okay, so after December the 3rd, you are done. I am not done. I will be grading like a crazy person, but you are done after December the 3rd when you submit that. All right, again, the course is 100% online, so how do you get any kind of points? Well, from discussion. You've got to talk to each other. You'll talk about your research project. You'll talk about things that you learned in the class. You'll have the opportunity to practice analyzing a little bit of data. We just have two activities of that. We will do some quizzes to make sure that you are comprehending this information, and then that complete methods section. Okay. here is your course schedule. So again, the Start Here module, that is happening as soon as classes start, August 11th. And your syllabus quiz is due August 15th. August 15th. Then you won't check back in until October 4th. Okay, so between August and October, you're going to be in 7782. October 4th, you will check back in with me, and notice we get right started right away. You'll have your initial post, you'll have a follow-up post, you'll submit your proposal from 7782. Make sure that you have done your edits from the last professor, or else I'm probably going to pick up on the same things and you're going to be behind. So if they give you suggestions, do those suggestions before you give it to me. Please, please, pretty please, because that'll just make our lives easier. After I look at this proposal, I will say, you are good to go. Start collecting data and tell me if you need help. Okay, if there are some issues with that proposal, then we will work through that. So probably 85-90% of you guys are going to just start moving forward and collecting data, and a few of you will need to work through some proposal stuff. And then I have a little annotated syllabus activity, and that's just to get you guys a little bit more involved in the syllabus. You'll see that in Module 1. Module 2, single subject and single case is the same thing. Again, remember, if you watch the research series Screencast, it doesn't mean one kid. It means like up to 8. It could even be 8 pairs of kids. So that could be 16. But just know that single subject, single case are used interchangeably. All right, and so that module 2, you just have a discussion post and your city training certificate. So if you didn't get it done in 7782, you'll do it now. Module 3, we are writing methods section. I mean, that's what your topic is, discussion post and a quiz. Module 4, we're talking about planning research projects, even though you're already in it. Talking about plagiarism, professional writing skills. You have post discussions and a quiz. Module 5, we're talking about analyzing data and conducting the research study. Again, you are doing as you are learning in this class. You have your initial post and a follow-up and a data analysis activity. Module 6 is writing the final research report. You have a quiz and another data analysis activity. Then, notice from November 15th to December 3rd, you are in one module. Okay, so that one module is finalizing your methods section. So quiz 4 is due at midnight. Methods is due, on December 3rd. So if you are someone that wants to be done Thanksgiving break, do it over Thanksgiving break, all right? And I will go ahead and grade it. So, you've got some leniency there. You can get things done. I will read drafts. So we're not going to be in a huge rush. Some of you, though, if you can't get started collecting data right away, or if major things happen, you may need this time to collect data. But I need everything done by December 3rd. If you cannot get it done, I will need you to take an incomplete on the course, and then you can finish things out in December, and then I'll give you a grade in January. Okay, but let's shoot for getting everything done by December 3rd. All right, attendance. This is just you guys checking in and watching everything. We get all those logistics. So if there's any issues, we can see how well you're interacting with the learning management system. There's not extra credit in this course. I do a lot of extra credit for courses, but not this one because there's just nothing appropriate really. Late work, really just try to get these things done. This class works very quickly, and most of your stuff are discussions and quizzes, and they're timely. So, email me if you're going to be late, but try to just stay on top of this course. I would probably say check into this course. I said earlier 2 times, maybe 3 times a week. And especially on the announcements, I will communicate with you guys through announcements. Professional conduct, the main thing here I want to talk about is using person-first language. We're not going to say the autistic child or the learning disabled child, okay? We're going to say the child with autism, the child with learning disabilities. We use the discussion board. It should be very, very professional. It is not texting with friends. Emailing me should be very professional, not texting with friends. No plagiarism. You cannot use anything you used in a previous course, previous university, and all that jazz. Okay, if you need any support, all of that information is here. I wanted to tell you the Writing Center is available for you, and use it, as well as Smart Thinking. Smart Thinking is available for you, and I believe you can get to that in CourseDen. All right, let's see if I can get through the course real quick. Right here is announcements. So that's your open announcements. Says everything I've already said. I said, see ya October 4th. Don't want to see you before then. Just kidding. So that is, see you in October 4th. I'm teaching another class during that first 8 weeks. That's why I don't want to see you. But I'm really kidding. I do want to see you. I'm just teaching another course. All right. You have your start here. You're going to look at all of this in August, and then you may want to look at it all again in October. Here are directions and rubrics. Here's information on graphing. Here's data sheets. Okay, so if you don't know where something is, start here. All right, deliverables, that's your assignments. Every module has this. So your assignment for start here is right here. All right, module 1, let's go into that. Here's a little introductory. Again, Dr. Grant made some videos. I made videos. Other people made videos. And so just know I'm your instructor, but you may see things from other people because we all collaborate around here. Here is your reading for the week. There are PDFs. There is no text for this book. I should have said, there is no text for this class because they are like hundreds of dollars. We are actually working on making a free text. A couple of the instructors for these courses are working on a textbook right now, an open access textbook grant. So you guys will have a textbook, but they're just too expensive for you guys to buy. All right, so here's your readings for this week. This is starting in October. Deliverables, those are the assignments due. All right, and let's look at one more module so you'll see. Module 2, introduction, the readings, the deliverables. Those are the assignments due. All right, so every module looks the same. You're going to have readings and you're going to have assignments due. It's the same kind of format all throughout the semester. If you can't find assignments, you're like, I knew I had an assignment. You can go to assessments and assignments or quizzes or discussions and look for it there. You can look for your grades here. You can communicate here. And what I really should have already told you, please don't email me through CourseDen. Please don't email me through CourseDen. Email me through kbgreen@westga.edu because I will not get this for a while. All right. It's up here and I have to log in for it. My other email, I get it on my phone. So if you're asking me a simple question, I will write you right back. If you're asking me a complex question, you got to give me like 24 hours. Or more for me to sit down at my desk, especially if I need to look up your 917 or something like that. But simple questions, I can email you right back. Email me through CourseDen. It's going to be days, y'all, days. So please email me at kbgreen@westga.edu. I probably say it here, right here. There's my email. Well, that highlighted everything. All right, I love this course. We're just collecting data and like having fun and changing kids' lives. And it is going to be fun. But check in the first week of August of classes. That's August 11th. Do your syllabus quiz by August 15th. And then I will see you again October 4th is when our class like officially starts. All right. Talk to you soon. Email me here if you have any questions. Thanks for listening today.